The 13th day of the Derek Chauvin trial centered around the testimony of Dr. David Fowler, a medical expert called by the defense, who testified Chauvin's restraint was not the primary cause of George Floyd's death. Fowler, Maryland's former chief medical examiner, said he believed Floyd died of sudden heart failure caused by a combination of factors, including pre-existing heart conditions and drug use. He disputed that the prone position Floyd had been held in for over 9 minutes was dangerous, and even said, for the first time in the trial, that exhaust fumes from the police car parked next to Floyd could have played a role in his death. You put all of those together, it's very difficult to say which of those is the most accurate, Fowler said. Because of all those factors, the defense's expert said he would have ruled Floyd's death undetermined, not a homicide, as Hennepin County Chief Medical Examiner Dr. Andrew Baker did in his autopsy. Fowler's assessment contradicts the testimony of multiple expert witnesses called by the prosecution, including a pulmonologist, a cardiologist, and the Hennepin County Medical Examiner. Speaking on behalf of the state last week, Dr. Baker said, while drug use and underlying health conditions played a role, he believed the restraint by Chauvin was just more than Mr. Floyd could take, deeming that the primary cause of his death. Under cross-examination, prosecutor Jerry Blackwell suggested Fowler was cherry-picking facts in an attempt to confuse jurors, highlighting that the forensic pathologist had no data or text results that showed carbon monoxide played a role in Floyd's death. "How do you know the car was even on?" Blackwell asked, to which Fowler responded that he had noted water on the pavement, which he thought could have come from the vehicle's exhaust. Blackwell also got Fowler to concede that he had not taken into account the gear Chauvin was wearing when calculating the weight of the officer on Floyd's body, and that officer should have immediately given Floyd medical aid when he went into cardiac arrest. "Are you critical that he wasn't given immediate medical attention?" Blackwell asked. "As a physician, I agree," Fowler responded.